Good morning from Kingston, Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica Before 7. In this one we're in Liguanea. Turning right now onto Liguanea Avenue. Just leaving Jamaican Road. And this is Liguanea Before 7. 7 a.m. of course. Dewsbury Avenue. Nice houses here, and not right now going across Paddington Terrace. Definitely not a plantation, I can assure you. Let me let in some of the noise or the sounds from outside. St. Michael's Terrace on our right. Drive on our left. Some new apartments, nice and new apartments here in Liguanea. Coming up to Liguanea Drive on our right. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's a bumpy there. Liguanea Place on our right. In the Red House. Again, so many fruit trees around here, especially mango. Right now we're on Richings Avenue. Hope Road, turning onto Hope Road. On our left is Chilitos Mexican restaurant. Well, it's a fusion of Jamaican and Mexican. Bridget Sandals on our left. Sovereign to our left, Sovereign Center, and Valencia Court Apartments to our right. A brief turn onto Barbican Road and have a quick look at the Sovereign Center. So you can see persons are busy preparing for the customers. So Sovereign, you can quite a few options are here, of course. Pharmacies, supermarket, a Mac shop, Mac makeup. There's a Mac store here as well. A Digicel, a Flow store, and a Cafe Blue. So you don't have to go all the way up to Irish Town to enjoy some coffee. You can come right here in Sovereign Center. Of course, Irish Town offers some great views. So it's a give and take. Old Hope Road. Just going to have a quick look at Lane Plaza to see what it's like at, well, before 7 a.m. Pretty empty. Juicy Patties. This is usually a great place to come for breakfast. They're not open as yet though. Not sure what time they open. Not seeing a time on the door. Also in the Lane Plaza, of course, Hilo supermarket. There's a pharmacy as well. Lane Pharmacy, I believe it's called. And of course there is a Western Union and a Bill Express also in this plaza. Dry cleaners and Indian store, whether it's Indian herbs, Indian spices, you can get that here as well. That's one person. Oh, so still here in Liguanea. I may actually be too early for Liguanea. Quite a few places are still closed. And the cherries are out. So persons going to the US Embassy, which is very nearby, can grab a seat here or not. Road is a little bumpy there. There we have it, a number 77 JUTC bus passing by the US Embassy now on our left. General Food Supermarket still closed, which of course is part of Liguanea Plaza. It's on our right. Reasonable priced supermarket, at least for some items. As you may know, a popular tactic of supermarkets is to make some things less expensive than their competitors, but definitely a whole lot more expensive with some other items. So it all depends on what you're looking for. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it here for today. I think I've done somewhat of an intensive look at Liguanea. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do stick and stay, another 2 videos are coming up. And do remember to like the video and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. That was loud. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet, and hit the notification bell for all if you want to receive all notification of when I upload a new video, which may be once per day or twice per day. So definitely smash that subscribe button and the like button and hit the notification bell for all. Thank you so much again. Do take care. Jamaican Insider out.